everyone, welcome back to another video, and I know I haven't posted in a while, but it's because I am making a Minecraft. Really I haven't been posting a lot because I don't really want to, but sorry about that, guys. Thank you for the subscribers, and today I really just want to play Minecraft, so I'm going to record Minecraft, and this is ECPE Factions. I'll put the code, or whatever it's called, in the description, and yeah. So today, I'm going to be starting off by opening a Necromancer kit because my base got raided. So I have to well, I had stuff already, but like I have to kind of start over again. And I just bought this Necromancer kit. It cost a ton. Not that much though, because I know Necromancer kits aren't like really good. But, what the? Did you see that disappear? Okay, whatever. But today, I'm really just gonna, this is like my first episode of Factions, so I'm just gonna show you like, the stuff. And the next videos will actually be about, like, me raiding and stuff. But, wait, why did I type in spawn? /spawn. That's how you go to spawn. I know some of you might not know this, so that's why I'm going over it today. But the other videos will be, definitely I will make them more enjoyable. So, yeah. Let me put these in here, get my Necromancer pickaxe. Don't really want to get raided again. Okay. So this is the spawn. As you can see, there's chests called crates, and there's like a mail service and stuff. And also there's a ton of warps, like warp to the boss, and then that's a boss. But the boss is really hard to beat, so you want to go with armor that's good, but not like ones you care about. I learned that the hard way. Also, there's also something called warp OP. I'm not gonna go there because it's literally you go there and you just get automatically killed because there's so many like people there that are really good. So I'm not gonna go there. And there's also a shop. It's kind of like, I know you've probably seen other people play Factions before. There's like spawners and stuff. In my base, it like it got raided, as I said at the beginning. But that's okay because yeah, my team is working on a new base, but I don't want to show it yet because it's gonna be a surprise. Let me just talk to my teammate in my faction. And yeah, so yeah, there's warps. That's a spawn. And my faction is Explosive OG. I don't know why I just came up with that name. I'm not the leader of it, but I helped the other person in the faction, like the leader of it. I helped him come up with the name. And yeah, let me see if he's on. Is anyone on? This is not gonna be a really it's not gonna be a long video, but like I just want to like cover things up. Oh, I need a crate. Let me see if anyone's doing like not that much of a crate because I need food. Yeah, some people here. I'll just buy this one because I could get money back easily. Okay, so okay, yeah, you can also do /wild if things into the wild, like I did that earlier. And you can other people, they just sometimes just leave random good chests because some people are like really good in this game, like the people that raided my team's base. And yes, it was claimed. I know all that stuff, but they used the TNT cannon, and that I'm pretty sure it takes down the walls. We were trying to build it like up a lot, but they just see if there's a person over there. That person's actually, I'll try to take him. Should I try and take him, guys? I'm gonna try and take him. I'm taking him. Okay, sorry, listen. Bro, that was so weird. Okay, I did not know he was that good. So I just decided not to, sorry guys, I'm not that good right now. He's probably like, he probably has a G set and stuff, which is like really good. And I'm running from him now. So, yeah. Hope you guys like watching running. Because that's what I'm doing right now. Because this guy, he's good, and I hate messing with people with G sets. Like the people that killed me. It's so hard to kill them. As you can tell, that's what they're called, G sets. I know this isn't your casual faction, like what you watch on usual factions, because it's usually like people raiding other people. But really, as I said, my I keep saying this, but yeah. Oh shoot. Yep, this is bad. This is very bad. Yeah, I'm really bad. I'm probably gonna get a ton of dislikes on this because it's so boring. But I did not know I was gonna see people in the wild. I probably should not have tried and get him. But yeah, next video I'm definitely gonna have better stuff, which is gonna be like probably because I'm going on vacation tomorrow. And I'm getting I have Rocket Arena, so I might start making videos on that. But don't worry, I have a secret chest, so that was not like the good stuff I had. I still have a secret chest that has really, really good stuff. But yeah, I was just showing you around and what it's like. And next episode, I'll show you our base and stuff that we're making, because it's not finished yet, and I don't want to show it when it's not finished because I want you guys to see the full result. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my secret chest, and I'm gonna end it right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't a good video, but really I just wanted to like say I'm back and like I don't know what to say, but I want to say I'm back, and I'm gonna start uploading more again after next Sunday or Saturday because of my trip I'm going on. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye.